All right, we are at Arapahoe Community College. Oh, it's an older one.
It's a bumper sensor.
Bumpers,
And the
nice.
bumper doesn't engage until the door closes, partially.
Oh, you're right. I bet this might be an older one. Elevator 4.
Look at this map.
Motor. No, it's a DMC. Demonstrate these bumpers.
Hopefully this map.
It's funny, you don't see elevators with bumpers very often at all anymore.
Not really. Hopefully this map is straight enough.
Excuse me, I'm gonna get a picture of the little tiny Dover Impulse COP.
Oh, I see that. That's fine.
All right, I want to step out. Demonstrate those bumpers one more time. Nice. And let the elevator close, and that will be it.